Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media.
Hello, I'm Gwen with US Classic Muscle Cars, and I'm here with something that I find very unique. It is a 1968 Porsche
Soft Window Targa.
Okay, I'll let you tell. It's a 912. Okay.
912 Soft Window Targa.
And the color? Could you tell me a little bit about the color?
Color is Irish green.
Is this original to the car?
It is original. Oh, it's a repaint, but it's the original color.
Okay, and how so you have had a little bit of restoration done?
We've had a lot of
A good deal
restoration.
of
Okay.
You know, the car has been completely redone.
And this is Lois's car.
That's right. Her car.
And there's a few things I'd like to ask. How long have you had the car?
She bought it new in 1967. It was a 68 model.
You bought it new.
I bought it new.
So
It's a
you
one-owner car.
always, you are the original owner. That is amazing.
Yes.
And you've restored it. She's been your baby your whole life.
Right.
It's a honeymoon car.
Yes.
It is.
And we had it restored for our 50th anniversary, which is this year.
That is very romantic. Lois, could you show me the interior of the car and tell me a little bit about it?
Sure. I get the door open.
Okay.
So everything is original. You restored it. You've not changed anything.
No.
You've kept it to its,
Yeah.
brought it back to its pristine. And what is it that you like about the car?
It drives easily. It drives fast when you need to. I remember it a lot because of my brother who, urged me to get it. And he bought the steering wheel for me.
So it's not the original steering wheel?
No, it
That's
is
one
not.
thing you
Right,
changed? Okay.
But I wanted to. And that's about it, that we've changed anything.
All right, so it is original stock, one owner, an amazing car. And how does it drive?
Very well. I mean,
It's a manual
it's a
transmission,
manual transmission, 4 on the floor.
4 on the floor. Could you show me the engine?
Okay.
And it is a rear engine car for those of you out there that aren't familiar with that.
It's like where's it at?
Right there.
That's it.
Sure?
Yeah.
That's where it
Let's
is.
go.
Right there.
That's amazing.
We'll do 110.
15.
Do you know how much horsepower it has?
It has about 90 horsepower.
90 horsepower. But it's a quick car for it being, it's a light car, so it would
Yes.
make that very
Right.
fast.
When was the last time you've driven it?
This morning.
She drove it today
You did.
through the
drove
show.
it down.
You didn't call me to pick me up.
No, I didn't.
I gotta give you my number
Yes.
again.
We live only 3 blocks from here.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
It is a very beautiful car. Thank you so very much for
Okay.
sharing it with us.
That's good.
Great, great.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.
Live from US Classic Muscle Cars.